Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this toxic smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Sticky Base by Holo, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm using today are One Coat Black and So Toxic, both from Holo. I'm going to start out by applying One Coat Black as my base color. Once my base color was dry, I went ahead and applied some latex to protect around the edges. I did mess up my index nail a bit, but it's not a problem because it's not going to show underneath the smooshy. I've got my stamper head here, and I'm going to lay out 3 drops of the green as well as 3 drops of the black, and then I'm going to smoosh that onto my nail. After all the nails are smooshed, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges using my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is done, I'm going to go ahead and finish with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. This color is not actually glow in the dark, but I can confirm that it is blacklight reactive. So if you have a party to go to, maybe this is a fun option. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. And you can also see my original idea for these two colors, which did not work out very well. If you'd like to join me live for nail art, of course you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.